What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve these examples regarding using polynomial multiplication. The first one is 1 plus 3 root 10 times 5 minus 2 root 10. The answer is 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times negative 2 root 10 is negative 2 root 10, 3 root 10 times 5 is going to be 15 root 10, and here 3 root 10 times negative 2 root 10 is going to be negative 6 10. So that makes it 5 minus 60 plus 13 root 10. So that's negative 55 plus 13 root 10. Next example is 7 minus 2 root 5 times 4 plus 9 root 5. Answer is 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 9 root 5 is 63 root 5. 4 times negative 2 root 5 is negative 8 root 5. And then 9 times 2, 18, root 5, root 5. That makes it 28. 63 root 5 minus 8 root 5 is 55 root 5. And here we have 18 times root 5, which is going to be 18 times 5, which is 90. Then if you want to simplify, it's going to be 55 root 5 minus 62. Next example is root 3 plus root 10 times root 3 plus 2 root 10. Answer is root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times 2 root 10 is 2 root 30, plus root 10 times root 3 is going to be root 30, plus 2 root 10 root 10. That makes it 3 plus 3 root 30, plus 2 times root 30, 10 root 10 is going to be 2 times 10, which is 20. 30, can we simplify it more than that? Let's see. So 30 is 3 times 10, which is 3 times 2 times 5. So we cannot simplify it more than that. So it's just going to be 23 plus 3 root 30. Next example. We have root 11 plus root 5 times root 11 plus 6 root 5. Answer is root 11 times root 11 is going to be 11. Root 11 times 6 root 5 is going to be 6 root 5 root 11. And then root 5 root 11 plus 6 root 5 root 5. Then it's going to be 11 plus 6 root 55 plus root 55 plus 6 times 5, which is 30. So that makes it 41 plus 7 root 55. Next example, we have 2 root 7 minus 5 root 11 times 4 root 7 plus 9 root 11. So we have 2 root 7 times 4 root 7. That makes it 2 times 4, 8 times 7. It's going to be 56. 2 root 7 times 9 root 11 is going to be 18 root 77. 4 root 7 times negative 5 root 11 will be negative 20 root 77. And then 40 times 11 is going to be 440. So 56 plus or minus 2 root 77 minus 40. That makes it 16 minus 2 root 77. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.